In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Phasmophobia on your Oculus Quest 2. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to set up and play Phasmophobia in virtual reality using your Oculus Quest 2. This process is also going to work for the Oculus Quest 3, so it is exactly the same. So to do this, you will need three main things. One is Phasmophobia on Steam. So if you visit the Steam page, you can clearly see it here. This game runs in both standard and VR modes. See system requirements for optional VR headset details, and then you see it here, VR supported. So as long as you have Phasmophobia on Steam, you will be able to play in virtual reality. Because the game needs to be running on your PC, your hardware is also going to affect the performance of Phasmophobia. So if your PC is low end, then the experience is not going to be the best. This isn't going to be a native app on the Oculus Quest. You will need to run it on your PC. Next thing that you need is Steam VR. So this will allow you to access and play VR games, including Phasmophobia, directly through Steam. It is a free tool to download, so look for Steam VR and add it into your library. Just go over to the store and look for it here. The last thing is the MetaQuest app. If you have never used this before, look for the MetaQuest application on Google and download it here for MetaQuest 2. Now, once you have all of these things in place, it's time to connect your MetaQuest headset to your PC. So open the MetaQuest app. You will see this message, sign in however you prefer. Once you are signed into your account, choose devices at the left, select the option to add a new headset, and then you will find the Oculus Quest 2. In here, you will have two connection methods, cable and AirLink, which is wireless. I highly recommend using the Quest Link cable. By doing it, you will essentially eliminate any latency, but a high quality cable, including the Oculus Quest Link cable, can cost a lot, so it is pricey. So if you prefer or you believe it is more convenient, just use a wireless connection. This is going to depend on your network speeds, so if your internet is not good or you are too far away from your router, the experience will have a lot of latency and it is going to be choppy. You can also try out both to see which one you prefer. Once you select them, you will be guided through the process, but usually it is extremely intuitive. If you select cable, you plug one end of the cable into the headset and another one into your PC, and if you choose wireless, you will have to pair them together using a code. Once you are done with the pairing process and you see this green check mark telling you that the headset is set up, now you can go into Quest Link. So on your headset, go over to Quest Link, choose your PC, and this should give you the desktop environment on your headset. Now, through the desktop environment on the headset, open Steam and choose the option to launch Phasmophobia. And one of the options here is going to be launch Phasmophobia in Steam VR mode. So, as long as you have Steam VR installed and the Quest 2 is connected to your PC, it will launch into VR mode immediately. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching are not subscribed. If you subscribe to our channel, you can help us bring you the highest quality videos and solutions to your problems, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.